online shopping. Now, I appreciate what they're doing here. It's what I do all the time. I take something that exists and I will modify it to do something else or to make it better, to be improvement. This is a full body, waterproof, well, water resistant bodysuit for motorbikes. The only reason it's for motorbikes is because he sat on a moped. What this actually is a sleeping bag that somebody has chopped up and stitched up in different ways. That is all this is. It's a sleeping bag that someone has cut up and put in some Velcro and a zip for the hood. The hood actually comes with most sleeping bags. They come with a hood anyway. So that's all it is. It's a sleeping bag that somebody has sliced up, added a bit of Velcro, and quadrupled the price. I can appreciate the ingenuity in that.